Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to do a simple salad today. We are making sour cream potato salad. It's very simple with just few ingredients and it tastes really good because of the sour cream which gives the tanginess to the salad. It can be enjoyed like a snack also, or it makes a great accompaniment with grilled meats and seafood. Shall we proceed? Here are the ingredients for the potato salad. I have boiled 4 medium-sized potatoes, peeled them and cut into chunks, cubes. And we have 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or water as required, and some fresh green garlic or chives. You can use whatever available. This is from my kitchen garden. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt to taste. First, let's begin with making the dressing. Transfer the sour cream into a bowl. Add some garlic granules, salt, some black pepper, leaving some for garnishing, and little water. Give it a nice whisk. I'm using water because I don't like adding milk to the sour things. Whisk it very well until all the lumps are gone. The ingredients can be as per your liking. If you like, you can add a teaspoon of honey as well. Now the sour cream dressing is ready. Check the taste and adjust according to your preference. Transfer the potatoes into a larger mixing bowl and stir in the dressing. Mix them together. Now we'll cut the chives or green garlic into the salad. Mix them together. The simple potato salad is ready. We'll dish it out. This salad is so easy to make, you can relish it like a snack also. Garnish it with some garlic greens. And sprinkle little black pepper on top. Here we go. So friends, make and enjoy this simple potato salad with sour cream. You can also pair it with your grilled meats on the side, or wish to enjoy it like an evening snack. I hope you like it. Do give it a try. Very simple and relishing. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.